This video is sponsored by Microsoft.
So here in this document, I currently have about 1 billion different swatches. So I'm going to take a look here at my swatches list. I have a lot of swatches. So what I need to do now is, let's just say that I'm in a certain scenario. Let's say I'm going to create a brand new document, and I'm just going to click OK for now. And let's just say that I need to reuse some of the swatches that I have used here inside of this document, because I'm just basically building on, the branding of this first document I have here. Now, what a lot of people tend to do is this. They would just say, I need colors. So they're just gonna go in here, select, copy, and paste. And after we paste it, just click delete, right? Just hit delete, because now we're left with the swatches. I am so smart. This is not really gonna help you. The reason why is, first of all, it brings in more than swatches. It brings in styles as well, which you do not want to use in most cases. It might also bring in separate layers depending on how the layer settings are set. And on top of that, who says that I actually brought in all the swatches I wanted to use? Maybe I have more swatches here on this page, then of course we would have to repeat that exact same process, right? So what you do is the following. I'm going to quickly undo this here and choose undo clear and undo paste. So now we're left with just the basic swatches. There are ways for loading swatches. Now you might be thinking that I'm going to click here and then choose load swatches, right? No, that's not what I'm going to be doing. You can, but look what happens. If I choose load swatches, and then if I were to take a look at that same catalog, which is in here, if I choose open, boom, it just brings in all of the swatches, which is fine, but most of the time I don't want to bring in the whole list. I just want a couple. So I'm going to undo this here, because this is an all or nothing type of situation. What we do instead is the following. Click here, choose new color swatch, and yes, I do realize we have to load in swatches, but just bear with me here. For the color mode, switch from CMYK and then go all the way down and take a look at these color libraries. There's an option called Other Library. And look, now I can go ahead and select a different InDesign document, choose Open, and InDesign will load in all of those swatches. Oh, let's try this again. Other Library. It added here at the bottom. I'm going to just use that way here. So it just basically brought in all of the swatches as if it was a library. And now I can just say, you know what? I need this specific spot color. I'm going to choose add. And I need this one. I'm going to choose add. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to hold on Command key and this one and this one and this one. Click add. And now you can just selectively bring in all the colors you want. And when you're done, just click the done button. And now you have brought in only the swatches that you were looking for from a different document that InDesign considered to be a library of colors.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.